Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is POCO X7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable Google personalized ads on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open settings. Now right here we have to scroll down and find this Google option. Here we have to click on our username. Now we have to click on manage your Google account. Right here we have to choose data and privacy. We have to scroll down, and right here in the personalized ads we have to click on my ad center, and as you can see right here I have personalized ads turned on, and to do this we have to click on this on button, and here we can click turn off. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!